Those short sentences will help you to communicate fluently in Igbo language. Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Pronounced as bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Come here. Jiri nwayọọ. Jiri nwayọọ. Take it easy. Some say were nwayọọ. So either jiri nwayọọ or were nwayọọ. Both means take it easy. Kwado ọsịsọ. Prepare fast. Kwado ọsịsọ. Prepare fast. Kwado means prepare. Ọsịsọ fast. Some say ọsọọsọ. Someone can as well say kwado ọsọọsọ. Prepare fast. Depends on choice of sentence. Jisie ike, well done. Jisie ike, well done. Nọrọ nwayọọ. Keep quiet. Nọrọ nwayọọ. Keep quiet. Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. Stop making noise. Kwụrụ ọtọ ọfụma. Stand properly or stand well. Kwụrụ ọtọ ọfụma. Stand well. Mechie ọnụ gị. Close your mouth. Mechie ọnụ gị. Close your mouth. Jiri aka gị were ya. Take it by yourself. Jiri aka gị were ya. Take it by yourself. Some can say were aka gị were ya. You know, someone can as well say were aka gị were ya. But preferably, personally, I would prefer to use jiri aka gị were ya, literally translated as use your hand, take it. Gaa dina ala, go and lie down. Gaa dina ala, go and lie down.